Checking fixtures.
Hello everyone, I'm Emma from Top Talent. Today I will introduce our checking features to you. As a global leader in the design and manufacturing of automotive checking features, we have built a reputation on responding to every customer request, crafting checking features precisely according to your needs. Have accumulated rich experience in producing large-size checking features for automotive components. Top Talent, we offered a diverse range of materials for our checking features, mainly including aluminum, casting, and steel. Whether it's single checking features, or assembly checking features, or digital checking features, we have got you covered. Features are used to test a wide range of products, including front and rear bumpers, hoods, doors, fenders, top covers, and white bodies. For automotive and digital checking features, we offer solutions for electric spoilers, digital gauge for contour check, and shock tower. Choose Top Talent for all your checking features needs, and experience the difference that expertise and innovation can make.